Did you know? Pink chicken doesn't always mean it's fresher. Color can vary naturally. Always check the smell and texture, not just the color. Washing raw chicken can spread bacteria around your kitchen. Water splashes can contaminate surfaces. Cooking properly kills bacteria, not washing. That layer under the skin is fat. It melts during cooking and makes chicken juicy and flavorful. That's why crispy chicken skin tastes so good. Not all chicken cuts are the same. Breast is lean and healthy. Thigh is juicier. Wings are perfect for crispy dishes. Choose the right cut for better taste.